I believe that trade should not exploit the planet or the people. I support fair trade by empowering farmers and workers behind the barcode.
As the world comes to terms with various global crises, the pandemic, climate change, growing inequality, discrimination, exploitation of the people and the planet, there is a growing realization that we need to prepare for the future with a different approach today. One of the most powerful things we can do is to have education institutions equip and empower young people to work collaboratively towards sustainable development in their communities.
Through Fairtrade India Schools program, the learners engage with complex global issues of trade, consumption and production, and sustainable development. With the help of teachers, they explore the link between their lifestyle and the global challenges related to it.
Fairtrade India Schools program is a three-stage program: Fair Aware, Fair Active and Fair Achiever. We take our learners from sensitization to awareness and Fair Aware. While in Fair Active, we focus on building their skills to participate and lead the sustainable movement. Fair Achiever stage aims to prepare the learners to imbibe sustainability in their lifestyle.
To begin with, as soon as a school is onboarded as part of our Fairtrade India Schools program, we believe that the formation of a steering committee in a school is of utmost importance and is in fact the first and the most vital step in initiating the program.
The activities designed in this program have helped the children to improve the skills like creative thinking, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, research, analysis, and awareness.
I did actually see a lot of changes in our students. I saw that they were able to coordinate amongst their group partners well. Their team building skills were getting enhanced. They were able to think of a lot of ideas in different perspectives also. And another best part of Fairtrade is that Fairtrade can be used in various other subjects and collaborated easily.
The lesson plan on Fairtrade helped us to bring a creative change within our children. These lesson plans include several activities which can be either completed individually or as a group. Through these lessons and creative programs, we seek to engage our future generations into developmental programs which groom them to be more thoughtful towards their community and environment.
While learning about Fairtrade and working on various activities, I have developed an understanding of how Fairtrade helps farmers and therefore why it's important.
When Fairtrade is introduced at a very young age to the children, it helps to shape them up into better citizens of tomorrow who grow up becoming more responsible towards their community.
At the Universal School at Ghatkopar, we have conducted varied activities across the years in order to sensitize our students, teachers, and the community at large.
In 2013, the Universal School established a long-term partnership with Williamston Primary School, Scotland, and on various collaborative projects on Fairtrade, like identifying the Fairtrade logo, understanding Fairtrade products, preparing fair trade breakfast for a get-together which was organized for introducing fair trade to our parent community. Students of the Universal School and Williamston Primary School also worked to compile a fair trade recipe booklet, and there was an exchange of recipes.
After years of constant projects, initiatives and events taken up by the Shilpites with great enthusiasm, Vidya Shilp Academy Bangalore was identified as India's first fair trade school. A major watershed in our fair trade journey was the opportunity for our Shilp uniforms to be made up of fair trade certified cotton, further advancing the milestones fair trade wishes to achieve. We also received students and teachers of BBS Handel, Germany to share our initiatives, and we too visited their school at Hanover, Germany, which was an extremely enriching experience.
A fair trade school is committed to fair trade values and practices. Becoming a fair trade school means joining a global movement, a movement where young people learn that however young they are, they have the power to make a difference in this world.